The machine is fully automatic, so let's run the automatic function, which is quicker, more efficient, and you can leave it whilst you go and do something else. Before starting, however, you will need to understand the port configuration, as the air conditioning systems come in 3 different service port configurations. Our training example will use a car with a dual high and low pressure port configuration. Check the refrigerant quantity within the machine and also the oil and UV dye quantities. The refrigerant amount must be between 5 and 7 kilograms. Connect the low and high pressure hoses to the AC system. Please remember, protect yourself, the vehicle and the environment when connecting to the vehicle. If everything has been checked, select the automatic button. Tests have proved that a larger amount of refrigerant is recovered if the AC system is first run for a while. So you should start the vehicle and run the AC system, if possible, for a few minutes before starting the recovery function. Press OK to go to the next message on the display. Select the charge mode. Only high pressure side, only low pressure side, both low pressure and high pressure side. Now select the extra oil charge button to enter an additional amount of oil above what will be recovered automatically from the system. A general practice is to inject slightly more oil than you took out. Then press the UV button to enter the UV dye quantity. Enter the amount of refrigerant to be charged. The correct amount is found in the service manual for the vehicle, on a sticker in the engine compartment, or in the electronic database. Press Enter to confirm the amount you have selected. Enter the desired vacuum time. We suggest 10 minutes as an average time. Once the evacuation time has elapsed, a leak test of 10 minutes is carried out. If the pressure rises even the slightest amount, the unit displays a message saying "Leak in the system", and the system must be repaired. The purpose of a deep vacuum is to remove moisture and air from the system. Moisture or air contamination in a refrigeration system could lead to poor cooling efficiency, as moisture can cause a freeze-up in a system. Freeze-up is not the only problem caused by moisture. Moisture combined with refrigerants containing chlorine can form hydrochloric acids. These greatly increase internal corrosion of the metal components. Also, refrigerant oil rapidly absorbs moisture and greatly reduces the lubricating ability of the oil. A vacuum pump removes troublesome moisture by lowering the pressure within the system and vaporizing or boiling off the moisture, then exhausting it along with air. So now the machine takes over and everything is carried out automatically, without you intervening. Refrigerant recovery. Oil drain. Vacuum. Leak test. Oil and UV dye injection. Refrigerant charge. Before disconnecting the hoses from the air conditioning system, we have to follow a strict procedure of pipe equalisation in order to evacuate the hoses and charge the air conditioning system with the accuracy that meets the SAE J2788 standards. If you press OK, the hose equalisation will start. Disconnect high pressure hose. Start the engine and switch on the air conditioning system. Press OK on the machine to confirm equalisation. Wait for the high and low pressure to equalise, both at the same pressure. Disconnect the low pressure hose and switch off the air conditioning system and the engine. Confirm and the machine will clear the hoses ready for the next vehicle. At the end, the AC788PRO will display the total amount of refrigerant that was injected. Press OK to print a full detailed report, or Escape to exit. OK, that is the function complete. If you follow these guidelines, your Robinair machine will perform superbly, and you will have satisfied customers. Remember though, this training video does not replace the user manual, so please read through it and keep it to hand at all times. If you need any further information on our products, please contact your local distributor.